Hey, hi, welcome. Hope you're doing great. Today, I want you to introduce my new app named as Star. As the name suggests, it is a super app that accelerates your career. The main purpose of me building this app is applying a job is very tedious process. We need to make sure whether the resume is in proper format or not. If resume is in proper format, then we need to make sure whether the keywords which are mentioned in the job description are in sync with our resume or not, and if everything falls in place then it's completely fine. If not, then we need to make sure we are learning the specific skill in short span. Like it's a mix of whole lot of things, so I thought like why not we can build an app where each and everything can be done in the same under the same hood. From that, this Star app is born. It is a super app which accumulates almost everything which are required to make a confused individual to a confident job aspirant. Like the to use this app, first you need to sign up for the first time users. After that, you can just log in. Signing up, it's the basic signing up thing. You need to enter your email. Make sure you are entering the proper email, so this email will be used later to send to mail you the feedbacks. And yeah, this is how the homepage looks like. Right now I have added three features. One is resume feedback, role fit, and learn a skill. Later features will be added in the subsequent updates. First, we'll start with resume feedback. As name suggests, you need to upload your resume, and this resume would be sent to LLM and it would generate a, give a minute. Yeah, the resume, it can take approximately 40 seconds. In this 40 seconds, the app is putting a response to Gemini API and asking to give a feedback about your resume. Yeah, we got a response from Gemini, and this is the feedback that Gemini has given on my resume. Things that are great in my resume and where can I improve based on my resume. These two are resume specific things, like areas to improvement. I can elaborate more on workspace, and I can use standardized terminology like that. And here is a general information like how we can modify a resume to get the best ATS score. And if this whole feedback looks promising to you, then you can mail this directly to your mail. You remember the email ID that you have kept in the sign up page? Yeah, email would be sent to the same page, like email sent to this. Let's check whether we got that email or not. Yeah, just now I got a mail from Star Maker. Yeah, this is the same feedback that LLM has sent. Yeah, coming to the role fit. Role fit is like we need to upload our resume initially. Let me do that. And we need to extract text from the resume. This is the raw text that is in my resume. From that, removing all formattings, removing all stop words, and these are the words which we would be getting after cleaning up the resume. And here we need to put the job description. For suppose let's take this artificial intelligence engineer. Let's copy the whole job description. Let's paste it here and let's clean this description too. Now yeah, this is the raw description, and after cleaning this is how it looks like. And we need to click on check role fit. As soon as we click here, first this cleaned description would be sent to the LLM. A LLM would just extract the skills. If you see in the description, we have Kova making machine. It is not a skill. So we only need skills so that we can match that with the description. So LLM would extract just skills and it would give to the code. In the code, I would be doing like two matching. One is keyword matching and semantic matching. Keyword matching is like it would search whether the same keyword, exact same keyword, is there in resume and description. In semantic meaning, it would, as the name suggests, it would search for the semantic meaning. For suppose in resume I kept Python, and in job description they are asking scikit-learn, then they both are approximately semantically correct. Scikit-learn, you would be using the Python, so always semantic meaning would be high. Exact keyword matching, there are only 2.44% of the keywords which are matching. Like these are the keywords which are missing in my resume but has been asked in the job description. Based on this, I can take a call like what all I need to learn, what keywords I need to add. That's all about the role fit. Now coming to learn a skill. Do you remember that in first page we have uploaded a resume? At that point of time, a small scenario of the whole candidature and skill set has been stored in the database. At this page, fetch the data from the database and it would be sent to LLM. Like this is the small summary of the person and this is the skill. Coming to the choosing a skill, there are two options like AI suggestion, enter a skill. AI suggestion, what it generally does is it analyzes the whole about section and skill section and it would recommend a skill. Learning that would have a greater impact in my career. So I can click on go. Now whole thing, this information and everything would be sent to the LLM. In this about section, like it would mention like teaching in what way could make a higher impact in that candidate's learning journey. That is also sent to LLM so that a customized plan of learning any skill in 15 days would be generated. Let's wait until the LLM process the request. Yeah, LLM has processed the request, and based on my resume it is telling like MLOps is something which I need to learn, and here is the detailed plan like 15 days MLOps plan. In week 1 I need to learn this, and each day what are the topics I need to learn, so that learning this way would make a greater impact and it would make the learning process very easy. And if you like this plan, the same thing, we can mail this whole thing to our mail ID. Like email has been sent. Let's check whether we got email or not. Yeah, I just now got another email like 15 days MLOps sprint. This is the whole plan. Based on this, we can structure our learning journey. Well, that's all about the star as of now. Later features like profile analysis etc would be added in next updates, and I will let you know. And that's all. Thank you for taking time. And another thing, if you find any bugs or improvements, please reach out to me. Like I'm happy to collaborate. We can work on this. Thank you.